Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. Do you know the consistency of fresh yeast when it's not working anymore? Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you what is. Last year, I talked about Spire fresh yeast, if worked or not. And I showed the consistency when it still works. Someone messaged me asking if the liquid around the cube was sign that was still working or not. The other day, I found out by chance the Spire fresh yeast I was using wasn't working anymore. And I made this video to show you how it looks. Couple weeks ago, I tested a pita bread cooked in a frying pan recipe to post on my channel. I used Spire fresh yeast, but the dough didn't proof, got too much hydrated, sticky and heavy. I used leftover block and looked to be heavier than the other one I used before. When I broke it, didn't crumble. The consistency looked like Play-Doh. I was able to put the pieces together and create a new one. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!